Hey guys, are you want to buy best full modular PSU? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best full modular PSU that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at MSI Full Modular PSU, this power supply unit, PSU, delivers exceptional performance and reliability, making it a solid choice for high-end desktops and gaming rigs. With 80+ gold certification, it ensures high energy efficiency, reducing electricity costs and heat output while maintaining stable power delivery. The active PFC design improves power factor and minimizes energy waste, enhancing overall system efficiency. Its LLC half-bridge topology with DC-DC modules provides precise voltage regulation, ensuring your components receive clean and stable power, even under heavy loads. Built with 100 Japanese 105 degrees Celsius capacitors, this PSU guarantees durability and long-term reliability, capable of withstanding high temperatures without compromising performance. Safety is also a priority, featuring industrial-grade protections, including OVP, overvoltage, OCP, overcurrent, OPP, overpower, OTP, overtemperature, SCP, short circuit, and UVP, undervoltage, safeguarding your system from unexpected electrical issues. Overall, this PSU combines efficiency, stability, and robust protection, making it an excellent choice for gamers, content creators, and anyone seeking a reliable, high-performance power solution. Now our second product is MSI Full Modular PSU. This power supply unit, PSU, is a top-tier choice for high-performance PCs, combining efficiency, reliability, and modern compatibility. With 80+ gold certification, it ensures energy-efficient operation, reducing power waste and keeping your system cooler while delivering stable power for demanding components. The fully modular design allows for neat cable management, simplifying installation and improving airflow within your case, making it ideal for custom builds and clean setups. Built to support the latest standards, it is ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 ready, ensuring compatibility with next-generation motherboards and graphics cards. Backed by a 10-year limited warranty, this PSU guarantees long-term, dependable operation, giving peace of mind for gamers, content creators, and professionals alike. Overall, this unit delivers a perfect combination of efficiency, modern connectivity, and longevity, making it an excellent investment for both high-end gaming rigs and powerful workstations. Whether building a new system or upgrading an existing one, this PSU provides the stability and performance required for demanding tasks. Our third product is Be Quiet Full Modular PSU. The Pure Power 13M 1000W PSU is an outstanding choice for gamers, content creators, and enthusiasts seeking efficiency, power, and silence. 80+ gold certified, it delivers up to 94.4 operating efficiency, reducing energy consumption and operating costs while keeping your system cooler and quieter. Its ATX 3.1 compliance ensures compatibility with next-generation hardware, including PCIe 5.1 graphics cards, while 4 PCIe 6 plus 2-pin connectors support current-gen GPUs, making it highly versatile for both present and future builds. With a massive 12V rail delivering 1000W continuous power, the PSU handles short-term power spikes effortlessly, ensuring stability even under demanding loads. The semi-passive 0 RPM cooling ensures near-silent operation at low loads, while an optimized Be Quiet fan provides airflow when needed without adding noise. Its modular cables simplify cable management, improve airflow, and maintain a clean, organized system. Combined with LLC topology for excellent voltage regulation, the Pure Power 13M 1000W offers exceptional reliability, efficiency, and quiet performance for high-end gaming or professional setups. Now number 4, Segatep Full Modular PSU. The Segatep GN650 power supply is a reliable and efficient solution for gamers and PC builders seeking stable performance. 80+ gold certified, it ensures exceptional energy efficiency, reducing electricity costs and heat output while maintaining a cooler system. Its non-modular design simplifies installation and keeps cables neatly managed, promoting optimal airflow inside your case. Equipped with a single 12V output, the GN650 delivers stable and consistent power, even during high-demand scenarios, making it ideal for gaming, media creation, or heavy multitasking. The 4 PCIe 6 plus 2-pin connectors allow seamless support for modern GPUs, including the 40 series, while keeping the interior of your PC clean and organized. With global voltage adaptation, this PSU is perfect for international use, ensuring reliable operation anywhere in the world. Overall, the Segatep GN650 combines efficiency, stability, and practicality, offering a solid and cost-effective choice for building or upgrading a dependable desktop system. And our last choice is Redragon Full Modular PSU. The Segatep ATX 3.1 PCIe 5.1 power supply is a powerhouse designed for high-performance gaming and professional PC builds. 80+ Gold certification ensures excellent energy efficiency, cooler case temperatures, and reduced noise levels. Built with 100 Japanese capacitors, it delivers unmatched reliability, durability, and esports-grade stable performance. Its 0 RPM mode fan only activates when temperatures exceed 60 degrees Celsius, keeping the system near silent under low to moderate loads. The 160mm compact design provides wide chassis compatibility and allows for clean cable management. Equipped with flat, fully modular cables, airflow and thermal efficiency are optimized. While minimizing clutter, the PSU supports ATX 3.1 PCIe 5.1, making it compatible with next-gen GPUs, including NVIDIA RTX 4050 series and AMD GPUs, and offers 200 total power excursion with 300 GPU excursion, ensuring stable performance even under peak loads. Additionally, the fan features 9 RGB modes with 26 colors, allowing customizable lighting to complement your PC setup. A perfect combination of power, efficiency, and style for serious gamers and creators. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video was really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.